Hello everyone, welcome to EduTechGyan YouTube channel. Another video on the real-time scenario of Azure Data Factory. So last video we see how to create a self-hosted integration and how to set up in the machine actually. So that is done. So for that you can watch the previous video. To continue to the previous video, now today we are going to see how to create a sharing self-hosted integration runtime across multiple Azure Data Factory instances. So whatever the self-hosted integration we created last time, then now we are going to share that same self-hosted integration runtime with the other Data Factory instance. So for that, let's go to the Azure portal. So yeah, I am already logged in, and I am on the Azure portal. So here, what we need to do, we need to open the this data factory where actually we installed last time. So I'm opening that. Let me launch. So it is launching. Yeah, it is launched. Now we need to go to the manage actually option. We need to click on the manage. Inside that we have integration runtime. So once you click on the integration runtime, you can see last time we installed this on-premise integration. So if you want to see, so you can see from here as well. Here I have that integration runtime. So you can see this. This is our integration runtime what we installed last time. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to share this integration runtime with the other data factory. This is our one data factory which name is EduTechGyan demo the data factory. So we have another data factory that is demo ADF. Okay. So let me open this data factory. Okay, we are going to launch this. Okay, so we launch. Now we'll go to the same manage option. Here we have option integration runtime. So inside this integration runtime, you can see we have only auto integration, we don't have the other integration runtime. So how to access that existing self-hosted integration runtime here? What we need to do, we need to go back to the here. So before that, we need to do one settings actually in the self-hosted integration Azure Data Factory. So this is our data factory. We need to see there is one option manage identities. So we need to click on that, and we need to check this option is on or not. If this is off, then we need to on this option. Okay, so you need to do that first, and after that you need to go to the self-hosted data factory integration data factory. So I am here. Now what we need to do, we need to open this. Okay, we open, right? Inside this we have option node auto, right? We can see, and here we have option sharing. So if you can came to this point, and you can see there is option, there is also steps mentioned here. What we need to do, we need to do first step is grant permission to the data factory. So we need to click on this option first. So once you click, so you can see you are able to see your data factory name here. Once we enable that option, okay, manage identity. So you are able to see this. Now you need to select this and need to add. Click on the add option. Once you click on the add, so it will show you here, right? It is added. Now what we need to do, we need to copy this key. Okay, now we need to apply. We already copied the key. Now we go to the other data factory where we are going to use this. So here you need to click on the new option. Again go to the self-hosted option, continue, and here below you need to select the link self-hosting. Okay, I'm going to click on the continue. Now you need to give some name here, like I'm giving the name like link self-hosted integration runtime. I will give like this. Okay, here you need to paste that key what you copy from there, right? And click on the create option. So once you click, now you can see you can share the same self-hosted network now, that integration runtime. So once you click on here, so you can see the node as well, your node. Okay. You are able to see now, right? the same way how we see here. Okay. So this is how you can share your same integration, self-hosted integration runtime with the other data factory. So whenever you are able to you want to share this, you need to add that Azure Data Factory name here, and then just copy this resource group resource ID into that that environment. Okay. So this is how we can do this thing. Yeah. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to see how to access our on-premise SQL database with the self-hosted integration runtime to Azure. Okay. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you for joining us on this educational and technological adventure at EduTechGyan. We hope you enjoyed the content and gained valuable insights to help you on your learning journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas for future videos, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Remember, knowledge is power, and with EduTechGyan, you'll always be ahead in the game. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep embracing the wonders of education and technology. Stay curious.